Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Extra Rice with KoKo. Oh, yes, y'all. Thank you, my coconuts, for joining me for another mukbang. If you are new to my channel, if you could bless me by going on ahead and subscribing, ringing that bell for notifications, comment, like, and share. And I'm so sorry, you guys. I know it's been a while since I posted a last video. It's because I wasn't feeling very well. Days went by. You know how that is. You're not feeling well to begin with. You ain't trying to eat. You ain't feeling well. You ain't enjoy life. And life goes by and days go by. And you're like, well, damn. I ain't even got a video yet. But you know what, y'all? I got a mukbang for y'all. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? I did this up. Because I was like, you know what? I ain't had a video in a while. Let me go on ahead and do the damn thing. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to review a new 2x spicy noodles. I haven't had this before. So this is going to be the Samyang buldak 2x spicy TOPOKKI ramen. If y'all see this out, this is a newer one. If y'all see this out in the H Mart, H store, go try it. We going to review it today. We gonna have fun, y'all. Let's get into this. How y'all doing on this glorious morning? Y'all see? It's nice out. A little cloudy, but the sun's coming out, y'all. I feel much better. I was not feeling very well, child. But now we're in it. I totally forgot to tell y'all what I'm eating. So I have the noodles right here in the center, y'all. Y'all see, got mussels. Bless y'all with some seafood. Pickle radish right here. It's off to the side. These are some huge tiger prawns. Put that right there. So got some kimchi and we ready to rumble. Okay, we ready to eat. Let's get this. How you doing? Okay, let's get into this. Go ahead, give me one of these. Oh, I got my little bag off to the side to throw my shells in. Or just fell over. So these is 3 packs of noodles sitting in the middle. I hope they ain't all clumped up. They're little. I just made them, so they should be okay. I let them sit there for just a little bit because I didn't want it to be too hot. Let's go. First bite, y'all. First bite. I like to keep the dry seasoning dry because once it hits the noodles, it reconstitutes a little bit, but I like the texture of like dried vegetables with my noodles. So I don't usually put it in while I'm cooking it. Okay. So the consistency of these noodles is really chewy. Not necessarily my favorite type of noodle to eat one ramen because this is really chewy. But the flavor of the sauce really is like spicy tteokbokki sauce. Y'all have to eat it with the pickle radish because the pickle radish is kind of sweet. So it adds tart sweetness to it. Yeah, it's good. It's a different texture noodle. Once you get past that, it's really good. The flavor's so good. How y'all doing today? I had missed y'all. Child, I'm gonna tell you, I wasn't feeling very well. I was in the bed for at least 2 full days this week. But I'm back. How y'all doing? We're gonna talk about something today. Let's talk about when I'm trying to get a little food in. And no, I ain't put no sauce on these mussels or whatever. I just blanched them in like a bouillon. That's all the flavor that I need. I don't need no dipping sauce with it. Here we go. I'm gonna crack this up. Okay. What up in here? Something up in here though. What this is up in here? Is this a female? Let's go on ahead and see. Something orange is in here. Oh yeah, this is eggs. Oh yes, ma'am, I'll be eating this. Y'all see these eggs? She pregnant. She good too. These eggs. Y'all ain't never suck the juice out of a prawn. Y'all ain't living. Cause this is good. Ooh, just flew everywhere. I'm gonna get all this out. All this. So good. Is juicy. Y'all know I ain't even good with seafood. Look. I am not. I see all y'all trying to not trying to successfully, like literally taking everything out in like one fell swoop. I don't know how to do that. Somebody, y'all, I kept telling y'all that's why I don't eat seafood. I like seafood, it's good, but y'all taking off the shell and whatnot, it be all difficult. Y'all see I be struggling here. Struggling. But they be good though. I be loving it. Like especially this. Ooh. This is so delicious. There I go. Okay, here I go. Here I go. Here I go. I said, girls, what's my weakness? Men. Okay, then. Ooh, that was so wet. So wet. Here we go. Now my fingers gonna smell like straight shrimp. Okay, shrimp juice got on my noodles to give the flavor. Okay, now the heat's starting to come to the noodles. From the noodles. Ooh. This is real chewy. Real chewy, chewy, chewy. They are like little mini lobsters. They are so delicious. Some kimchi. This is good together, y'all. Shoot, sorry. Definitely growing on me. I'm really hungry too. Y'all, I cannot do that challenge either. I wouldn't be able to do that. I'd be like, already no. I can't do that. I say like 10,000 times. Who does it? First drink, y'all. Sweet tea. I ain't had mussels in a while too. Oh look, this got this discombobulated. All this stuff is out. I don't know if I like this looking like this. Look right. All that inside needs to stay inside. Yeah, I will get to talking though. I'm just hungry. Whew. Hungry. Okay, so y'all, say you in a situation where you had met someone, right? And I'm really big on first impressions. First impressions are just that. You had met someone. First impressions alone, they was nasty to you. And they've been nasty to everybody else, and you went and you got your knowledge about this person, and come to find out they nasty to a lot of people right off the bat. So you know from there to keep your distance to that person, right? You meet these people, you're kind of in the same circle, but you just don't mess with this person, right? Okay, so you don't really think anything of it because you don't really talk to this person. They ain't got your phone number. They ain't friends. If you ain't got my phone number, you's not my friend. Okay? Point blank, the period. You can reach out to me via social media, whatever. You ain't got my phone number, so that means you're not my friend. My friends have my phone number. So, you know, time goes by. 7 to 10 years, right? And you have an interaction with somebody who talks about this person. And they tell you, oh, this person has changed. This person is a different person. They've admitted to being that person that they were before, which was nasty and quite rude and having a stank attitude. And that's why a lot of people don't like this person. But this other person says that they have evolved. So how would you handle this person? Okay, would you say, hey, let me give them a second chance, let me try to get to know them, the person that they are now, because maybe they've evolved and they've changed into a better person? Would you give them that opportunity? Or would you go based off your first impression that you had them like a decade ago, or say whatever? My theory is zebra don't change its stripes. It is what it is. Y'all hoes need to own it. Because I don't like it. I do believe people can change, but that's a very minimal percentage. So, generally, if I'm put off by somebody, look, I'm gonna wrap this into a sandwich, y'all. Look. If you've had a bad interaction with somebody and they rubbed you the wrong way, they're gonna rub you the wrong way, period. And I don't think they could change. Excuse me now. Maybe that's very pessimistic of me, but I believe that to be true. I don't want to come around y'all hoes if y'all got a nasty attitude. No, ma'am. I don't want to be around y'all. Especially if, and you know what? I try to get my information about these people too. Y'all know I be the FBI on people. I be researching my people. I don't just be hanging out around anybody. No, ma'am. My aunt taught me right. My aunt taught me you have to research these people because you don't know where they're from or what they can do to you. And you know, I read about that story with that Clark Atlanta girl and how her roommate's boyfriend murdered her. Y'all really have to research and know who's in y'all inner circle. My inner circle is 5 or less. That's it. And when people wonder why I be so like closed off, it's for that reason. Because there's too many haters out here. Hate all you want. If you ain't in my circle, you ain't in my circle. You's not gonna be in it. And trust. Whatever crazy you got up in you, my family taught me right. I'm gonna push the crazier on you. No, ma'am. You're not gonna come around me with no foolishness. Oh, I was hungry today. So how would y'all handle a situation like this? And was y'all in a situation like that to begin with? Here we go. Just juiciness. Ooh, this got eggs in it too. I'm about to rip this up. Rip this apart. I'm trying to get this egg in one fell swoop, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, y'all, look at this. This egg, oh, no, ain't got this extra meat up on it. Oh, this is delectable. Oh my God, y'all, this is like the foie gras of the sea. All right. Foie gras of the sea. All right. Y'all, if y'all ain't had tiger shrimp, y'all need to go ahead and get it. Child, if it's a little expensive, this is the best $20 I spent. Y'all see this? Hold on, let me show y'all. Y'all see this sack? Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. So good. So, you don't know. Girl, bye. Y'all don't know how I am, though. I'm quick to block people. I'm quick to send people on their way. I just don't have time. And I'm not a person like, I don't want to have many words with you. I don't want to have a whole dialogue with you. You know, I'm going to tell you about yourself and how you are and how you made me feel and how you, and I'm all about person. As the actions speak louder than words. So you can keep saying what you want to me. It don't negate the fact that you did me dirty or did me wrong. And, you know, I feel like an apology sometimes is not, it ain't the way. Like, I ain't gonna accept an apology. You can apologize, and if that's good on your spirit, but it ain't good on mine. And I'm the type of person, I got to do things on my time. If you apologize, and maybe I won't get over it right then and there, maybe I'll get over it in a little bit. Maybe it take me 2 weeks, 2 days, 20 months. I don't know what it is, but it's gotta be on my time. It ain't on your time. And that's the thing about forgiveness too, is it's not on your time. So if you want to apologize to somebody, you have to wait. It's not on your time, you know? I cannot do this stuff very well. Here we go, here we go, here I go. I got that song on my head. Y'all know Salt and Pepper though? Because you know, all y'all don't be listening to hip hop. I know y'all don't. I may be too urban, honey, because I was just told that the other day I'm too urban. You know, you're a little too urban. What that's supposed to mean? You might as well just tell me I'm ghetto. Shoot, I would appreciate that more. You're a little too urban for us. Y'all know what type of person it came from, right? Did y'all see that? Hold on, let me do it one more time for you. Too urban. I'm ghetto. I know it. Thank you. Moving on, next topic. Y'all. This seafood was it, honey. Y'all see how I towed him up? This is 3 packets of noodles, and you know, 2 is more than enough. Y'all don't need to have more than that. I don't know how these people be doing these challenges eating 5. I be wanting to try it, but I don't know if I can eat 5 packs of noodles. I just don't know. You know what I'm saying? All in all, in reviewing this ramen, very good addition to the 2-time spicy ramen noodles. Big ups to you, Samyang Foods, because y'all be doing the damn things with these noodles. Very delicious, very tasty. Y'all always varied up with the textures too, because the texture of these noodles is so different than the others. You'll have some udon style, chewy style, more al dente style. It's amazing. It's amazing what can be done with ramen noodles. It's really, really amazing. So give the noodles 2 thumbs up. Please go try it. So delicious. I mean, all the sauce was so good. I hope it don't stain this though. So you guys, I missed you guys so much. Thank you so much for joining me for another mukbang. All my coconuts, love you. Please go on ahead and like this video and share it. To all my newbies, thank you so much for joining me for another video. If it's your first video, you can go on ahead and bless me by subscribing to my channel, ringing that bell for notifications so that you know when a video like this one right here is happening. Ring that bell, comment, like, and share. Thank you so much, and until the next video, love you all.